name is Ron Watkins, and I've been focused on quality and manufacturing operations for over 25 years. The main challenges that I see manufacturers struggle with regarding quality management are the synchronization of data, the prevention of defects, and the lack of actionable information on the shop floor. Let's look at these individually. The synchronization of data throughout the entire life cycle is key. There are often multiple systems with silos of data that operators have to interact with just to do their job. They have to go into an ERP system, a PLM, an MES, a material tracking, maybe legacy quality systems, SPC systems, issue management systems, just to name a few. This results in duplicate data, inconsistencies, inefficiencies, and extreme difficulty in ensuring end-to-end quality. What's needed is a flexible platform solution for managing manufacturing, quality, material, scheduling, and requirements data all in one place. One common user interface, one common data model, and one common end-to-end business process. Next is the lack of focus of prevention of defects. Often the focus is more on compliance in the management of quality issues and metrics rather than being proactive in preventing quality issues from happening in the first place. This can be accomplished with the use of a virtual twin that models the product, the process, and required resources so that simulations can be run in comprehensive failure mode and effects analysis for both the process and the design can be set up. The virtual twin can also be used for the incorporation of more detailed and intuitive process plans with 2D and 3D work instructions, as well as the use of augmented reality and virtual training. This can significantly reduce errors during the build and inspection process. Error proofing can be baked into the process and enforced by the manufacturing operations execution to eliminate issues from happening in the first place. This is often referred to as poka-yoke. One additional thing that I see manufacturers doing that results in inefficient quality management is focusing more on metrics rather than providing actionable data. Metrics and dashboards displaying past performance are great to see how you have performed in the past and then make adjustments, but it's like driving a car by looking through the rearview mirror. What's really needed is real-time data from the process, machines, and lines that's contextualized and presented to the operators so that they can act quickly and course correct before things go bad. Spotting such trends or indicators using SPC, artificial intelligence, and machine learning can avoid costly issues and disruptions in the process. Furthermore, having a system in place that can use advanced analytics to prescribe a resolution to the operator when a problem occurs can greatly improve response time and the amount of bad product potentially produced. Think of it sort of like a virtual assistant for the operator. In conclusion, by addressing the siloed data in systems, focusing on the prevention of defects from occurring, and providing operators with real-time actionable information will ultimately result in a more efficient manufacturing and quality process and yield higher quality.